We're at Tour View in Tregadillett to see this 3-bedroom house. So it's located around halfway down this walkway. There is a garage and off-road parking at the top there, which is designated for the house. Really popular village of Tregadillett. There's quite a bit going on here. Really nice and accessible to the A30. So you're entered into a little hallway here, which leads into a very handy downstairs toilet. Leading through, really good sized lounge just here. And as you can see, it's got doors leading out to the front, which is really handy. Could have a nice little patio set just there. Got a feature fireplace and also understairs cupboard. Leads through into the kitchen. And the rear door. So it's partially slabbed and partially laid on, and there is also a rear gate at the back there. And I'll take you through to upstairs. Lovely view from the back bedroom. So you've got a nice hallway here. Firstly, bathroom. It's got a shower over the bath just there. This is the second bedroom, and here's the view that I'm talking about. So it looks onto the garden just there. Nice little field behind. It's also got a little cove here, very handy. It's leading through, got overhead storage just there. This is the smaller of the bedrooms. And finally is the master, which has fitted wardrobe just here.